Yo, everybody, what is up? Today it is me, Ethan, and I'm on my account, the Dario. And we're back in the Jailbreak, my favorite game of all time. And yep, I got the Lamborghini. Yay! So I am so hyped for this. I am hyped. Like, you don't even know how hyped I am. So if you're hyped too, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yeah. And comment whatever you want to say. Anyway, today's shout out goes to Fanny. She didn't subscribe to me, but she did leave a nice comment to me saying nice video on the other one where I was watching, when I was reacting to my username is this. So yeah, you don't. Yeah, if you do want to be a shout out, if you do want to be shout out, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, and put in a nice comment. Without further ado, let's go get a Lamborghini. But here's a trick. We're gonna mess around with cops in the server. We're gonna tell them if they can arrest me, and if they can, oh my god. Because a Lamborghini is fast. I don't know why you're punching me, bro. So yeah, Lamborghini is fast. Move, bro. So yeah, Lamborghinis are fast. So yeah, let's try. I will get you guys when I. Wow! Well, catch you guys when you go get the Lamborghini. So if you guys do want to buy a Lamborghini, or if you have enough money for a Lamborghini but you don't know where they spawn, usually they spawn right next to the volcano base. And I know what you're saying. Wait, I don't know where it is. If you guys don't know where the volcano base is, well. If you don't know where the volcano base is, then go to the bank. They're right next to the bank. Like the Bugatti is right next to the and the Bugatti is right next to, I believe, the jewelry store. So yeah, catch you guys when we're done getting the Bugatti. I mean the bank. I mean the Lamborghini. So, yeah. Catch you guys over there. Hey guys, you're back, but I know we're not at the Lamborghini yet, but I just wanted to see it. I wanted you guys to see me driving this car. Hopefully my driving is good. Or I can just go over here. Go to bank for Lamborghini. I own. Hopefully the other cops don't have Lamborghinis or Bugattis, because I don't want that. Oh, foot bikes, no. Yeah. Foot bikes, get out. Oh wait! Oh, you saw that guy. He almost threw me out of the water, and I think he's getting me out on purpose. So catch you guys after a long walk to the back. So catch you guys over there. 3, 2. For some reason, right next to the garage, I got arrested. Well, this is the only day that comes to me. Thank you if you're watching this, Mr. Cop. Oh, I will kill you. So anyway, you didn't hear me. So anyway, yeah, catch you guys over there when we go get to the bank. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. So guys, we're back. Oh wait. Oh, I was cutting for here. Tongue right. But looks like you had to watch me drive. Now, let's just cut it, okay? Cut it. 3, 2. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm cutting too much. I may cut a lot in the future videos plus this one. So yeah, hopefully you guys can forgive me. So yeah, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, guys, we got the Lamborghini. And if you guys don't trust me, boom, what's that? I don't even know how to clickbait. Yeah, this is not clickbait. Oh, this is awesome. Let's just try it. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, I'm scared. Let me just put the voice texture on the thing. This thing is fast. Fast? You guys been knocking it fast. Oh no! I hate that guy. Let me just join another server. So see you guys over there. I hate those cops. So yeah, catch you guys over there. 3, 2, and 1. So guys, yes, we're here. I drove all the way here to the Lamborghini. You can see my car like all the way over there. I can't believe that. Someone says me friend request. I'm sorry, bro. I can't accept it. There's 2 friends I need to accept, and if I accept those 2, that's next. And if I accept, okay. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Okay. We're gonna try to go around the whole road. Hopefully this happens. Hopefully it's not. So, let's just go. No, first, I'm not scared. Okay, I'm kind of scared, but not all the way full grown scared. So it looks like this guy also has a Lambo with a Disney Channel. You do know I could steal it. It was his fault. Oh! What a smart guy. Oh shoot! Oh, that guy just got busted at Okay. It's like 3 people on the server that have Lambos. Oh, that's awesome. So, it's hard turning because Jailbreak has like some pebbles. I don't know where they are, but yeah, I can't see them. I'm gonna move this car. It's blocking the way. There you go. I think that's fine to move it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the garage and get my volt texture. I am scared. Am I? Oh, that's the way to the museum. I don't want to go to the museum. I want to go to garage, which is this way. I know you can't. I want my Lamborghini. Okay. There. Boom. And now let's wish for luck. Because the next step is to go beyond. People are gonna arrest me like nothing. I'm gonna be scared. So I just wanna move. I just want some way people could actually like. So I just know a way for I can escape. So let's just do it. All cops. Come. All cops come to a city and try to. I hope cops are. Oh, it looks like there's a new. This is hard. This is hard. All cops come to the city and try to arrest. This guy's actually going for me. Here. It's gonna be hard, guys. What is this kind of profile? Okay. Bro. So he's gonna jump off. I'm gonna jump off. Wait, how did he? Wait a minute. It's the same guy. No. Well, looks like the cops won. The cops won, so it looks like. So it looks like we have to end the video over here. Oh man! So the cops won. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to end the video here. And if you're new, anyway, if you're new or haven't seen this Roblox character, or when I go on FaceTime and you haven't seen me like at all, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe to turn on post notifications, so you won't never miss a cool upload I make. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to end the video here. And if you guys do want to get shouted out, make sure to like this video, turn on post notifications, and comment down below anything nice or whatever you want to say. And yeah, probably you could probably tell people go in the comments down below. I don't know why it's taking me so long to say it, but go to the comments down below go to the comments down below or you could say like go to the comments down below and say you did all of the stuff, and if you did, if I go check out your comment, yes, I will pin it, and if I pin it, if I love it, if you see like my face right next to it, like the picture, the picture of the thing, you know what the thing right next to the channel called, the channel name, yeah. If you see the picture right next to the channel name, right next to your comment, that means I pinned it. So that means you are gonna be shout out for tomorrow. And wait, did I talk about the shout outs? Oh yeah. If I do shout out you, that means I subscribe to your channel so you guys can get more subscribers. So it looks like it's gonna have to be the end of the video. So see you guys next time, and peace out.